This is Estate Lindholm, Cruise Bay in St. John, U.S. Virgin Island. When you come in, you'll get a key code for the door. You can deadbolt it here. This is the reef room. Light switch here. Control for the fan here. There's like another little window here. A seating area. You come in and here's the bathroom. They ask that you conserve water. You have a very bright light here with mirror. You come around. Here's the shower. It does come with products, shampoo, body wash and conditioner, and hand soap. Does come with towels. Although the towels are somewhat limited, they ask you to reuse. Come around out of the bathroom here and you have the bed. It's not too comfortable, but it's okay. I thought it was a little bit odd that it had blue sheets. I guess I'm not used to that. You come here, there's a light switch here and one outlet. It did come with a ton of pillows and this little seating area here, but I took everything off, and it comes with 2 towels as well. It does come with a little kitchenette type area and a bag with some supplies. We'll check and see what's in there in a minute. It has another mirror here with a light. You can get ice if you need it. It has a microwave, no toaster, and a fridge, which I've already stocked. The cab driver took me to the grocery store and waited. It cost me 20 bucks. Then you come here. There's the outdoor seating area. The sun is coming up. There's another little area here for your clothes. Both sides. Oh, and an extra pillow. Oh, there's the safe. We found the safe if you need that. Again, this is Estate Lindholm, U.S. Virgin Islands in St. John. And on the side here, you have a caddy for your luggage, which I've already used. Let's see if we can check out the balcony. Again, this is the reef room. Comes with a table, 2 rocking chairs. And this is the shower. That's where the window goes. I wondered where that went to. This is St. John, U.S. Virgin Islands, Estate Lindholm, the reef room. Thanks for watching.